I'm not doing another song to go. Wallahi.
A few moments later.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man. No what thing said. But people, I see a video, I see a little thing where I go on. Seeing? I may have to say, yo, what to them artists? But when I see the thumbnail, when I saw them dress, yeah, man, when I saw them dress, man, them kind of have a little feminine thing about them, you know. Very emotional. Yeah, man. You know, you would have some girl them get vexed over some little things. Yeah. Them now move like somebody were militant. You see, but I see Burna boy a perform. Seeing? And it look like one girl there at the front with her boyfriend asleep. Seeing? We don't know if the girl tired or not come from work or something. You understand? But she does say alright, boom, she'll come support and for come see Burna boy. See? But tell me what people, the man make them take out the girl and her boyfriend just because the girl asleep. Remember, you know, one girl is, you know. One. And this man getting him feelings. I can't believe this, but look what I go on.
Wallahi, I'm not doing another song to go. Wallahi.
So people are walk gone and in the corner, you know. Cause it's like him I say, yo, them have to go leave. Basically the girl have to go leave before him perform. But look. People, so I see what I go on a while ago. I can't believe this. So you tell me, say, me pay my money. Seeing? Remember, you know, anything can happen. When enough time I go event, I may maybe feel sleepy or something. Seeing? Or me eat some food and feel niggeritis. And remember, you know, them people are sit down, you know. You understand? And if, come on people, if nothing now go on and a slow music and you don't know the type of music a Burna boy do, some of the time. Seeing? She maybe drop asleep, but look at now, she found out and she make that statement here. So basically, if you look right here, so seeing, she said, I am the girl that was kicked out of the show. I don't even know where to begin. But that was very embarrassing and humiliating to myself and my boyfriend. Seeing, that she say, you know, Burna boy couldn't handle that situation better than that. Could have, yeah, basically could have handled. He had no idea what was going in my head and he didn't even care. See? And she say again, yo, have been, boy, I don't know what you mean by mentally, physically and emotionally drained since my daughter's dad passed away and I came to his show to put a smile on my face. After everything that has happened, he took forever to come out and I was so tired. So basically, Burna boy take long for forward out. And she did tired and, you know, more while people just forward out and I go through a little thing and them forward out just so, you know, relax their mind. See, and she said she did tired and this could happen to anybody. But Burna boy, you know, brother. You tell me, say, bro, out of the thousands of people who are watching you look on one person, and I like say the whole front bench. All if the whole front bench asleep, it's still not, bro, that not nothing good for deal with. You understand, bro? Like, people pay them money for forward at the show, and because the person asleep, you want them left. Brother, madness that, brother. That sound like some that are some, to me, that are some bitchy feeling shit. You understand? Because at the end of the day, bro, a girl sit down at the front, tired, anything could happen to the person, bro. Seeing, and you want them out of the event. Cause basically, you know, people, him go to the side, you know, for wait. And it's like, seems like if she never come out, him now perform. So, me I say, then Burna boy, a one person you perform for, or the whole crowd? Me not understand. Cause you gonna make one person. That's why I tell you, say, yo, you see them man, you see how them dress? Yeah, man, you have to watch out for these, brother, you know. Them have a little feminine thing about them. This come like one girl where they call it, you know, some girl where just need that attention there. Zine, and them nah get it. But the girl sit down at the front because the girl asleep. This man find it so hard for perform to the people them. Tell me, you know, people. After, yo, let me tell you, you know, they have to give me back my money, you know. Me I tell you that, you know. They have to give me back my money. You see, that's why this is more wild, you know, people. Me not to go the stage show thing, you know. Yeah, cause right now the people them out for cancel Burna boy right now. Cause this a madness, bro. First me ever see this. You tell me say the girl that they asleep and it bother you so much. Out of thousands of people that they are listening and enjoy your music, fam. And just one girl you want out of the part, out of the place so you can perform. Bro, that's a madness, bro. That's some sissy thing, dog. Me I tell you, when I see the video, people, me I say, yo, Jano, this are just, it's even look good, dog. Like, and people, the man say a thing, when me have to just shame, man. Yo, I tell you about it. You see when the man reach certain level, pre these people. So basically, the man post on him Instagram, and the man go say, I'm only looking for fans with money this period. Yo, me I tell you to rat it. Yo, you see them money are just them away. Yeah, man, you have to watch out for them. Them money are very emotional, me I tell you people. Them very crap top. You see them money? Yeah, only them type of man there, bro. Act them weird, brother. The feminine mood swing and all of them look something there. Seeing? Because there's no way. Seeing? Somebody they at the front of the stage. And they maybe drop asleep. Them, remember, you know, them could have all tired and, you know, from work. And first of all, people, as the girl say, she sit down at the front all long. And them never found out yet. So imagine them sit down and she tired and she just sit down. He will end up all drop asleep. And worse, it's like, yo, as the girl say, the girl just, you know, go through a thing and, you know, and she just did it just to put a smile, but she tired at the same time. So you tell me, say, me a perform, right? To thousands of people. And you tell me, say, me have time to watch one girl asleep at the front with thousands, if you perform in front of thousands of people. Like, brother, you have sometimes you have to put yourself in the fans them shoes. And then this man Bowl ever come out say, only rich fans him want to deal with right now. Brother, what if you say something like that? Rich fans? Bro, first of all, real rich people now sit down in and up much people. How much people in the world? You think everybody, thousands of people just reach out so for just for the year party, brother? Are the same people, the regular people, some of the people, maybe I'll borrow all money. Are them support the most? Are the poorest set of people support Uno as artists, fam? You think are rich people, brother? Because, brother, some of the time Uno as musician and reach for a certain level, it's like if you got, brother. Remember, you know, Burna boy, remember say, Africa, you far from in a dog. Remember, you know. And you know and see certain situation, bro. So when you go further and make them a statement, just because a girl asleep at the front, you in your feelings now. I say, yo, them have to go leave, else you not perform. Come on, bro. That sound like a girl behavior thing, that, brother. May I tell you? So people, when me see it, I say, yo, dog, the man really do this. May I tell, brother, may I tell you this? If I me that, I hit that fear, brother. May I tell you, them they sang there, no more show. Now I got no more show. You sang them, delete everything. May I tell you, a big disrespect that, brother. Big disrespect that. You tell me, say, one person sit down at the front at the stage where you are performing and not sleep. So I saw you care about that one girl and not care about the rest of the fans them. For you stop your performance for them take out the girl Cause you don't know our man now go make she alone go. He might go with her too. So that's a 2 ticket. All me I say, I hope them get back them ticket money because it's a madness. Me I tell you that. A madness that. Me I tell you. There's no way me I go pay my money. If for some people them not get up, you know. Them not get up. But you know them I go force them because the promoter want make back them money and they want the people them to look at them and say, yo. But them must have give back them money still. There's no way them I go move them out of the party and out of the place and give back them money. But Burna boy, I tell you this, brother, humble yourself. Humble yourself, fam. And you go forward out and make such a statement like that. But only rich fans you deal with at this time. I don't understand that, bro. How much rich people in the audience? Eh? How much rich people in the audience, fam? If rich people fi forward at your event, brother, I maybe like 500 or 1,000 people are forwarding this, brother. Or maybe even less. So that me until you talk about rich. Brother, sometimes when you humble yourself, not because you reach by a certain level. Humble yourself, dog. I see them poor people, them, you talk about rich, at them, I make you have money in your pocket right now. At them, I buy the ticket them, so you can get your millions of dollars per show. So when you are going to talk about, imagine all some of my fans them see all them posts and say, yo, I saw you go on. All after this event, you wait, man, because some of the time when I do something, you know, and I go sorry, you know. I tell you, brother, but that is some sissy business. That me can't be one artist and me see one person. Me see a person. It could have be. Let me tell you this. It could have be a whole front line asleep. Me not have no time for that. Me I do my work. Me get me pay. Me do my work. Sing for the people them who you understand. Who out there and listen to the music and enjoy the performance. Yeah. Me just do what me for do and left. Me no business boy who want drop asleep. You understand? Cause people are gonna say, yo, you're boring. No vibes, no did it. I understand that because the song them, some of my song them where you sing is kind of a slow motion song. So it's like if a person tired and they're at the front, maybe she extremely tired, make she drop asleep. You understand? So she just want rest. You know, she go through a lot, breakdown and everything, and you know what the worst? Alright. If I saw them people, if it was me, Zane, say me wouldn't do it myself, you know, but say me concern and me say, yo, I'm awake, or me say, what happened to you? You know, why you sleeping, or you know, you okay, and you know, and then if she seem like how she found out and make that statement, yeah, maybe she would have share it with me and thing, and you know, would have maybe just call her up on the stage and you know, hold her and just sing like, you know, sing and get her back smiling and thing, you know, care for the fans and thing. Just sing, she go through a little you understand, and at the end of the day, remember, you know, she could have stayed home, you know, and go through a little misery, you know, but she choose to pay if you come see me as an artist. So me I go really appreciate that, you know, and me supposed to make she put a smile on her face, but now she go home sad. She go home sad right now. Worse, feel shame, you know, shameful for such a huge crowd, and them are walking out a event. You know, shameful that is, worse with what she go through. Yo, may I tell you, people, the thing have me away, man. Yo, may I say, yo, brother, me can't believe so them man out here are getting at them feelings to them little silly things. Yeah, man. But he will learn one day. Yeah, man, cause remember this, brother, I fans I put money in your pocket. So if you got disrespect the fans them like this and I talk about rich fans and all of them little thing there, you make a sad mistake. Remember, you know, you can go back to square one, you know. Yeah, remember that, car. If you do this and this go viral and some people say, that a go on. Alright, me poor, you know. Me not rich, so alright, nobody enough. Boy, you go there when you look, you end up like Soldier Boy. Maybe I'll want 500 people pop up at your show. Although maybe if I this so much ticket, then maybe we'll do better, I'll keep the show. But bro, so my time when I come out on the feelings, dog. Is it? Yeah, man. But people, I don't know, you know. And media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I know a thing set, man. That is it.